Antonio, live-in partner of Brenda, was charged with qualified rape for having carnal knowledge of XXX, Brenda's daughter from her previous spouse who already died. The information alleges that Antonio is the stepfather of XXX and that she is 14 years old at the time the rape was committed. Trial ensued and minority as well as Antonio being the live-in partner of Brenda who spent for XXX's education and other needs were proven. The trial court convicted Antonio for the crime of qualified rape. Is the trial court correct? Explain.
No, the trial court is not correct in convicting Antonio for the crime of qualified rape. The Supreme Court held that the prosecution must specifically and properly allege in the information and prove during the trial the qualifying circumstances of the minority of the victim and her relationship to the offender. As stepdaughter is the daughter of one spouse by a previous marriage. For accused to be the stepfather, he must be legally married to the mother of the victim. Here, the information for qualified rape alleged the circumstance of minority, that is 14 years old, and the relationship that being a stepfather. Antonio and Brenda were not legally married but merely lived in common law relation. Hence, Antonio is not the stepfather of XXX. Since the information erroneously alleged that Antonio is the stepfather of XXX, Antonio cannot be held liable for qualified rape. Thus, the trial court is not correct.